Good afternoon, teachers. My name is Jagat, and I welcome you all on the behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. So, this is the series where I share with you every day some of the great innovative ideas given by the teachers of different state. So, this week I'm sharing with you, teachers, the innovative ideas which are given by the teachers of Kerala. So yesterday I shared with you some of the good innovative ideas, and I saw your comments on my Facebook page, on our Facebook page, that you have commented such a good, you have asked questions as well that how you can submit your innovative idea. As it sounds that you are new to our program, so today again I would like to share with you some information related to our program. And if you are a teacher who is new to our program, with you also I would like to share some information with you all teachers. So our program name is ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. In this today's like as every day we have a live webinar with you teachers in Hindi, in morning and in English. In afternoon we I share with you, or in morning Dhiren sir share with you some of the innovative ideas. So there are teachers, they have such questions that how you can submit your innovative idea, how you can share your idea which you are implementing in your school, and you have seen such a fruitful outcome of your innovative ideas. So teachers, I would like to share with you the way that how you can share your innovative idea with us, and how you can become our innovative teacher and participate in TIA Teachers Innovation Award, how you can participate in that, and how you can be rewarded and recognized by us, by our program name, by our program ZIIEI. So let's talk about our today's case study. Every day I discuss with you case studies. In those case studies, there are some ideas which I share with you, because there are teachers, they are sometimes confused about it. That's why you always come and share learning through games, new ways teaching techniques, and simplified language learning. Such case studies every week I share with you. So again, teachers, as I feel that there are some teachers who are new to this program, so I want to share with you the case study name can be same, but the ideas are always different in all these states. So what is this and why is it so? Let's understand that. So if you are a teacher and you're watching me right now on the Facebook app, so you can ask me any question in the comment box. You can tell me your question. You can ask me any question related to these innovative ideas or any question. I would love to answer your all the questions, and I would love to read your comments which you tell me in the Facebook comments. So what happens, so there are teachers when they share their innovative ideas, so sometimes there are other teacher who is sharing from other district. They have the same motive of the innovative idea. The idea is different but the motive is same, and the outcomes are coming a little similar. So we merge those ideas in one case study, as today's case study is a simplified language learning. So today I'm going to share with you that how your students can learn a language, because there are teachers, they face some problems in their classroom, then they try to find a solution, they create a solution, and that become an idea, and then they share with us. So none of the idea which we share with you is ours. All the ideas are given by the teachers, and all the ideas for only for the teachers. So in today's case study, I will share with you three innovative ideas, and the name of the innovative ideas are Innovative Climax is our first innovative idea, and the second is a review of a storybook, and the third is word from the textbook. So these are the three innovative ideas. So now let's go ahead and let's. I know you teachers are waiting for the innovative ideas. Now let's go ahead and let's talk about our first innovative idea. The name is Innovative Climax. So we all hear this word so many times, innovative climax. But climax we hear so many times, innovative climax. What is this? So now let's talk about this. As our case study name is today simplified language learning. So what happens that this is a quote which is very famous. If you are a person who knows multi languages, if you know more than one language, it means you come in the category of smart people. So learning a language is very exciting. We all feel so excited when we try to learn any language. And if you are a person who speak more than one language, believe me, you are in the category of smart people. So we all want that our students should learn like languages, because in one school when we go to any state we always find one or two languages extra. If I talk about like Delhi, if which is the capital of the country, if you go to schools you will find English language is there, Hindi language is there, and Sanskrit language is there. So these three languages are very common in Delhi or UP, Haryana, in such states that you will find these languages and which you have to study in the school. Why so? Because even the government, even the education policy says that you must know more than one language. Because in India there are 22 languages which are registered. It means these languages are official in India, and more than, and there are so many languages which are spoken in India. And there is one quote as well that every after 10 kilometers you will find a different taste of water, but every after 50 kilometers you will find a different language in India, which is true. You all must have experienced it. So here are the teachers, they always try to do something new in the school, and they try to solve the problems of the of this students. So in such, in the same race, the teachers invent some innovative ideas. So now let's go ahead and let's talk about our first case study. The first innovative ideas I discussed before sometime. Innovative climax. So what is innovative climax? What teacher does in this? So teacher comes in the classroom, and after coming in the classroom, teacher divides the class into some groups. Teacher divides the class into some groups. So for an example, if there are 20 students in one classroom, so teacher will divide those 20 students into four groups or in the five groups as per the requirement of the teacher, as per the wish of the teacher. So after that, once the teacher does it, and then teacher start telling a story to the students. So we all know the stories play a very important role in our everybody's life, especially when you are in India. You must remember the time when you were a child, your granny, your grandmother used to tell you a stories which you used to love that. So the same teacher does. Teacher tells a story. How teacher tell? I'll share with you. And while telling the story, teacher use the modulation. You know the modulation can make any story. It can create the story into any mood. If we use any modulation in the voice, pitch, pace, if we balance it, we can make any story, motivational story, sad story, science fiction story. We can just create anything by our voice only. So after this, like these are the some points which I am sharing with you. Now let's go directly to the implementation. How teacher has implemented this innovative idea in the school. So what happens? Teacher comes in the classroom and teacher start telling a story, and that story can be also told hare and tortoise. So I will share with you one example as well how teacher does it. So what happens? So teacher comes in the classroom and with the modulation, with the pitch and pace, teacher start telling the story. Once the teacher is telling the story, and all the students get so excited also for that, and the story becomes so engaging, and like suddenly in the middle of that, teacher stops telling the story in the middle of where the climax is there, where the curiosity of the student is there, that what will happen next. Teachers stop telling the story. When the teachers they stop telling the story, after that the students they like, now what, ma'am? So then here the main role comes of the students. The students, right now I have stopped the story, I'll finish it at the end, but right now this is your turn, that you all are going to end of the story. Any group. So one group will come and they will create a story. They will sit for some time. Second group, third group. In such stories, students can bring the superheroes also. They can bring Wolverine, Superman, Deadpool. There's so many heroes. Batman is there. Spider-Man is a favorite of kids, of students. Doraemon, Ninja Hattori. So many options are there to bring in the story. So teacher give them full freedom that you can create any kind of climax and try to make it positive climax. Give a positive end to this story. So for an example, now let me share with you one example. So let's go to the story of hare and tortoise. It is, I'm giving you example because we all have read it. We all know it. How teachers can do the story which even the students somehow know that, and the teacher has done it. So I'm sharing this example which is very known to us. So what happens in this? So there was one hare and there was one tortoise. So one day they were sitting in the jungle with their friends, and after that, they were talking to each other. So suddenly that tortoise says that I can walk as much as I want. And the hare says that you can walk as much as you want, but you cannot walk more faster than me. You cannot run faster than me. I can win any race which I can do for you. So as we all know, then what happens? So they all friends they start motivating them. Let's have a race. Let's have a race. So the hare was so confident that yes, I can win this. This is very simple. Is a tortoise only. How fast he will run? I can run faster than this tortoise. So next day, the time was fixed, 10 a.m. in the morning. All the animals will come. Hare tortoise will also come with full preparation, and they will have a race of 2 kilometers, and they have to cross that they have to cross that a particular area or the river they have to cross. That they have to reach to the river, and they have to whosoever reaches the first is the winner of the game. So that the hare was so confident, tortoise was also much confidence in, he had a confidence. So then they start their race. So when they start their race, the hare runs very faster, faster, faster. When he sees that, oh my god, where the tortoise is coming very slow, I think I should sleep now. And the hare sleeps at the same time, that at least I'm going to win this game, nobody can stop me. After that, in the middle only, the teacher stops. Then teacher says, students, what do you think what will happen next? So then teacher gives 5 minutes to each group, and they have to create the story that what is going to happen next. And some students bring the story that, ma'am, what will happen, that he will and he will keep sleeping. Then the tortoise will come and ask say him that, my friend, get up, we are in the race, do not sleep. Means that it can be also the end, or it will be that, ma'am, the we can see that hare is sleeping, the tortoise will also sleep with him. So there can be so many there can be so many innovative climax which students can give at the same time. So this is how the teacher implements this innovative idea, tells them story, middle and the half. If teacher feels that today I should increase the level of the story, so teacher can give work from home as well. It means homework. So teacher can give homework also to all the students. The students, this is the end. Tomorrow you all students have to come and bring one innovative climax, and you all are going to share with me. You can add superheroes. It is your story, end it by your own way. So next day students come, they brought their mind, they improve their thinking skills, learning skill, observing skills. There are so many skills which the students develop in themselves only. So this is how that students this is how the student plays this activity, and teacher implements this activity in the school. So this was our first innovative idea, innovative climax, and I believe that you all teachers have loved it. So now let's go ahead and let's talk about our next innovative idea. The name is review of storybook. So review of storybook is our next innovative idea, and how teacher implements that. Now let's understand that, teachers. So the first thing which I want to share, that this idea is applicable for all the classes. We can implement this in all the classes of the school. So what happens? So teacher comes in the classroom with a lot of books in his hand. If there are 10 students, 10 books will be there. If there are 20 students, 20 books will be there. So teacher comes with so many books, story books with in the classroom. After coming in the classroom, and those books can be brought from the library or any other source, or the students can bring from their house. So these things can happen as per the teacher feels comfortable. If there is no library, then teacher can manage any other resources as well. So once the teacher comes in the classroom, so teacher gives one book to each student. Now each student has one book. So then teacher shares with all those students, what you have to do all is that I'm giving you this book for 1 month. For 30 days, I'm giving you this book. Now what you all students have to do, you have to read this book very carefully. And after that, you are going to review this book. And whosoever student brings the best review, whosoever does the best review of the book, he will be rewarded at the end. So all the students have for 1 month, teacher keep reminding them to read those books. So students, do not stop reading the book. You all have to read the book. So So then all the students keep reading the book, and at the end, what students have to, how students are going to read, how students are going to make the review of that, and how will it help? Now let's understand that. So students are going to they're going to come on the conclusion that how good is that book, how what rating they will give out of 5 to this book according to their choice, and they have to summarize also in very 10 to 20 lines that what is this book about, what this book tells you while you are reading the book, and when then they start giving rating also at the same time. So then what happens? So teacher ask all the students when the month is completed for one day. Teacher takes the whole day and asks students that students one by one you will come here and you will start telling the review of this book. That what is this book about? What was the story of this book? And what happened in this book? And you will show your review also which you have done. So after that the students start telling, as you can assume teachers that how students are going to develop when we are going to give review. First we will read it, then we will give review. We have to think, create some points, keep some points in our mind, which means absolutely the students are going to improve in their self. So then the student they improve their hesitation also. When they remove their hesitation, improve the confidence in them when they're telling the review of that book. So that what happens, so teacher collects or teacher selects the best review of the class, that this one student has done the best review. So now this review will be displayed in the playground or the area where the display window is there. And at the end of the year when there is an annual program, so this student will be rewarded. Those 12 to or those 10 12 students who have done review the whole year, they will be rewarded as the best reviewer of the storybook. So students also feel motivated. All the students have book right now and they are going to read book. We all know that there are a lot of benefits of reading book. If we start reading book, we generate our own point of view. If they have a habit to read stories, it means they are going to develop reading skills, they are going to develop their thoughts, they will become so imaginative, they can imagine so many things in their life. So this is how the teacher implements this innovative idea, and teacher sees the benefit of vocabulary. Students are going to learn so many vocabularies, reading skills, writing skills, communication skills. So many developments is happening at the same time. For an example, if there are 60 pages, if there are 60 pages, so at least students are going to they can read 2 pages every day. They can read 2 pages every day, so that means they are going to develop a lot. So now teachers, let's go ahead and let's talk about our last innovative idea. The third innovative idea is find the word from the textbook. So find the word from the textbook is our last innovative idea. After that, you teachers will get a chance to ask me any question. If you have any question, you can tell me in the comment box, or you can ask me on the Zoom app directly. I would love to answer your all the questions. So our last innovative idea is find the word from the textbook. The book is a, I will say, treasure of words. There are so many words in any book. So what happens, this activity can be done on individual students or making on the groups as per the requirement of the teacher. Teacher can divide into groups or individually can play this activity in the classroom. So what we need in this, we need one board, we need one chalk, we need textbook. These three things which we require. So what happens? So teacher divides the class into some groups. In those groups, teacher makes one leader as well at the same time. There will be one leader of the group. Once all the things are set, then what teacher does? Teacher takes a book and the lesson which teacher has taught already, teacher finds the word from that and writes on the board. Now teacher has written the one word on the board. So what will be the work of the group? Teacher will give 1 or 2 minutes to all the groups, that your 5 minutes, as I said, that totally as the teacher is comfortable. After that, all the groups have to find the word so quickly. What is that word, and discuss what is the meaning and how we can use it. So the leader will come ahead and tell the meaning of those words, and after that, once the teacher tells the meaning of those words, the leader tells the meaning of those words and how we can use in our real life. The teacher can keep playing this activity so like this, so students also improve their learning skills, their vocabulary skills, and so many, just so on. There can be so many things which can be developed, and we teachers can also add other things which they want to add from their side. So teachers, this was these were the innovative ideas which I had to share with you. And right now, this is your chance that you can ask me your question. You can tell me in the comment box. I would love to answer your all the questions. So one teacher is saying that, sir, आवाज नहीं आ रही है. I believe that as I can see the sign of my teacher, sign of my trainer, so I can hear that the sound is good. So, sir, I would suggest you. So, what happens when you teacher join in the Zoom app? So, what happens? So, there is one option: join with computer audio, join with mobile audio. There is one option. Always select that. So that helps you to join it as soon as possible. So, teachers, now let's meet tomorrow with different innovative ideas. Till then, you have a great day and bye bye.